Yay! Angelica. This is so fun playing with our toy boats in Sadyba Best Mall.
I agree with you, Stephanie. Let's run around Sadyba Best Mall. Hopefully we are not going to get hit.
Stop right there, Stephanie and Angelica Pickles. Both of you should never, ever play with your toy boats in Sadyba Best Mall, because you might hit someone. I agree with my sister Jade. And because of what you both did, we are calling both of your parents. Go home right now.
When Stephanie got home. Stephanie, how dare you play with your toy boat at Sadyba Best Mall along with Angelica Pickles? That's it. You are grounded for life. As for your punishment, Rosie is here to beat you up.
Ouch! That hurts.
This is what you get for playing with your toy boat in Sadyba Best Mall.
Go to your room right now.
When Angelica Pickles got home.
Oh my blood-wrecking garbage's freaking god. Angelica Pickles. How dare you play with your toy boat in Sadyba Best Mall? That's it. You are grounded for life. As for your punishment, Caillou is here to beat you up.
Ouch, that hurts.
That's what you get for playing with your toy boat in Sadyba Best Mall.
Go to your room right now.